go to Toyota Integrated DashCam and then download. And open. Allow while using app. Allow access to all photos, and then on the terms and conditions you also want to accept and continue. Then you're going to do add dash cam, press this button, then continue. Then you're going to make note of the default password of 12345678990. And then do note that you do need to be connected with the arrows. Please the button below to open settings and select the network Toyota Integrated DashCam. After connecting to your camera's network, please return to the Toyota Integrated DashCam app. And the password is 12345678990. And join. The beep, just that you're connected. Do note that no internet connection is normal on that. Make sure that it's auto join, low power. If you do have something that does help is turning off cellular, then also Bluetooth during the connection. Then you're just going to hold up for a bit and go DashCam app and do OK. Then do OK on that. And if it just stays a long time on this connecting, just do a cancel and continue. Select Wi-Fi. Note that's connected. Go back. And go back to the app. And now we're connected. And then do done. Okay, drag to connect. One beef of connected. Then you can change the default password, but for right now we're not. Remind me next time. Okay, and then within browse, that shows all your normal buffer files. It will delete the ones that are oldest first. Events, that's whenever you press the action button, or if it senses a impact on the vehicle. Parking mode is for whenever it senses that a impact has been on the vehicle while it's in parking mode. It will basically start recording after that impact for you, and the file will be saved there. Adventure mode is for whenever you press and hold the action button for 5 seconds about. It will record your whole drive. That's for if you're in a scenic area. Right. Then settings. This is where it lists all the settings. You can do 1080p 30 second or 1080p 60 per second. And then I suggest having auto overwrite event files so it doesn't fill up. Parking mode detection on. Date and time microphone settings. You can change those for always off at startup or always on at startup. So you can play around and see what's in throughout there. Storage allocation, default is 50% normal loop buffer, 20% emergency protected, which is whenever you press on the action button, or if it senses an impact on the vehicle. Then 10% is parking mode, and then 20% is allocated for adventure mode. And then if you do replace it with a different micro SD card, it is suggested to do industrial grade micro SD card because of the heat and the cold. Here's where you can do a password and then format SD card as well. Then to get to the manual, if you go owner's manual, this lists the whole manual and you can also read up on it. Now if you want to download any files, what you just do is press on it and download, and then it'll be listed in download files. So here's where this file is. And you can also share it too.